Braising Basics, Mastering the Art of Cooking Meat. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic, braising. If you're keen on elevating your cooking skills, understanding this technique is a must. So, let's unravel the mystery behind the phrase, braise the meat, together. Braising is a cooking method that involves two key steps. First, you sear the meat at a high temperature. Then, you slowly cook it in liquid at a lower temperature. This technique is perfect for tougher cuts of meat, as the slow cooking process tenderizes the meat, making it incredibly flavorful and succulent. Not all meats are created equal when it comes to braising. The best choices are tougher cuts like beef chuck, pork shoulder, or lamb shanks. These cuts have more connective tissue, which breaks down during the long cooking process, resulting in tender, juicy meat. 1. Searing the meat. Start by heating some oil in a heavy pot or Dutch oven. Sear the meat on all sides until it's nicely browned. This step adds a rich flavor to the dish. 2. Adding liquids and aromatics. After searing, remove the meat and add liquids like broth, wine, or water. You can also add aromatics like onions, garlic, and herbs for extra flavor. 3. Slow cooking. Return the meat to the pot, cover it, and let it cook on low heat. This can take several hours, but it's worth the wait. Once the meat is tender, it's ready to serve. Braised meat pairs well with various side dishes like mashed potatoes, rice, or vegetables. The rich sauce created during braising can also be served as a delicious gravy. And there you have it, a simple guide to braising meat. This technique might seem a bit time-consuming, but the results are absolutely worth it. Happy cooking, and I hope this video helps you on your culinary journey. Enjoy your delicious, tender, and flavorful braised dishes.